Across Europe, the Agroecology-TRANSECT project has brought together 11 hubs of researchers, farmers, and civil society groups to understand how farming can work with nature rather than against it. After 3 years of research, data gathering, and collaboration, the many voices across the project have come together to combine their insights in a call for policies that enable real transitions towards agroecology.
I think we need to really think about what are agricultural and food systems for? What are they about? Are they about making money? Are they about profitability? Or are they about feeding people in a fair, healthy, and sustainable way?
Our results clearly indicate the need to reform the common agricultural policy, which still rewards intensive systems and disadvantages agroecological farmers.
They just don't manage. They don't manage to be as competitive as other very intensive approaches. They don't manage to get enough subsidies. They don't get enough support.
Farmers who protect soils, restore biodiversity, and reduce emissions need policies that recognize and reward those public goods.
Policymakers need to be much more ambitious in their plans for how the CAP looks. There's lots of good stuff in there, but it's not ambitious enough. We need to be more revolutionary with how we see agriculture and agricultural transformation.
The ramification really of not acting is, as human society, we don't have a future.
But agricultural policy alone isn't enough.
Currently, what is really missing is food policy. We don't have solutions for consumers, for supermarkets, for other actors in the value chain. And what is really necessary is to think of the holistic issue of what agroecology is. It's not just the producers, it's not just consumers, but it's about the sustainability of agri-food systems.
Aligning CAP reform with the nature restoration law within a coherent food policy can deliver benefits for farmers, society, and the environment.
I think our food system more tries to ignore nature and cannot, because we're dependent on nature, on a functioning nature.
You cannot produce on a dead land. You can produce when there's droughts and uncertainty about what is the next weather event going to do to your agriculture.
Diverse nature-based farming can build resilience and help secure Europe's farming future.
If we really want to solve the problem for rural areas and for farmers, we need to invest more in rural areas. And that means investing in those farmers that need help to do the right thing.
It's not simple. Policymakers usually like simple messages, but they need to embrace the complexity of it and put the effort in to understand the science behind it, to understand the social aspects of it, to set a framework that enables everybody to thrive.